How to find Roblox user ID or profile link. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Roblox on a device. Now wait for the screen to load. Now on the home page, simply tap on your profile. Now tap on the QR. Now tap on the QR icon. Now tap on the QR icon. Now once you tap on it, simply tap on share profile link. Now tap on copy. Now you can share this link to any of your friends. Now to find Roblox user ID, simply go back to the home screen and open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type Roblox. Now click on search. Now open up Roblox website. Now tap on continue in browser. Again tap on your profile at the top part of your screen. Now tap on the search bar. Now tap on the pencil icon. Now next to the users and before profile, you can find the user ID. Simply select the user ID, tap on copy and add it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.